Hi, I'm Gus. This is Top Team. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to work with zipper. This มันจะมาเรียทำไม There are like two types. One is pre-cut, like 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches, depends. Or the other type is come in meters or yards, which I recommend to buying a long one like this meter of yards because it is very useful. You can use like 12 centimeters or 27 centimeters is versatile. The tools I use: sharp plier, zipper tooth remover. There is number 3 and number 5. Please make sure that you select the number match the zipper you use. Metal board and the hammer.
The first step in prepping the zipper is to cut to size. First you measure, then you take your scissor and just cut between the teeth. You can also use your cutter to cut. Lay the zipper down on the cutting mat and cut between the teeth. So after you finish trimming the zipper, you'll need to cut the zipper teeth. Take your sharp plier, cut one teeth at a time, and then pull it out. To use the zipper tooth remover, make sure you use the right number that matches your zipper size. Use the iron hammer to knock it out, and it should be as easy as you see like here. Then take your zipper head and just slide it in. Make sure your zipper head size matches your zipper. This goes with the zip stopper as well. To install the zip stopper, place the zip stopper at the end of the zipper teeth, and then you knock it down lightly. Flip your zipper to the back side. Use your plier to bend the zip stopper in. Place the middle board to the back of the zip stopper and use the hammer to lightly knock it. This will keep the zip stopper locked and secured. Next, we'll put the zipper pull inside the zipper head, and then we'll lock it with the plier.
So thank you and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like. Bye.